KTM has just launched the latest versions of the Duke 390, 250, and 125. Not only has the appearance changed, but also from the performance side to the emissions. The biggest change is in the Duke 390, which now uses a new 398cc engine, replacing the previous 373cc platform. The engine produces 44.8 TK of power and 39 Nm of torque, an increase of 1.3 TK and 2 Nm. The new engine is combined with a new trellis chassis that uses die-cast aluminum. This chassis has been found in its big brothers, the Duke 700 and 9898 and Super Duke R. The swing arm is also aluminum with an offset rear shock model to the right. For Duke 250 and 125 can also be updated in the engine, following emission regulations. For the Duke 250, showcase the new 250cc LC4C power plant. This engine is 250% Duke. Power is now 31.2 TK and 25 Nm of torque, an increase of 1.2 TK and 1 Nm. Meanwhile, the 125 now has 15 TK of power and 11 Nm of torque, an increase of 0.5 TK. In the suspension, use WP with compression and rebound settings. While on the back, there are also rebound and preload settings, just more complete. On the rim, it uses a new lightweight model taken from the new KTM RC. In effect, the KTM 250 and 390 have an identical weight of 165 kilograms, while the 125 variant weighs 154 kilograms. Regarding features, the Duke 390 gets a 5-inch TFT screen. There are 3 driving modes: rain, street, track, that affect power delivery. There's even a launch control when using track mode. By design, all 3 look modern, like the previous KTM naked motorbikes. Indeed, there are some new touches, such as lights, and there are DRLs that are said to be like eyebrows, right next to the main lights. The die-cast aluminum subframe is also new for 2024, reduces weight compared to the steel unit, and adds to the bike's visuals thanks to its open, not encased in bodywork position. Elsewhere in the chassis we find new wheels, new triple clamps with new offsets, a new, lighter, curved swing arm, new muffler, and a new off-center shock position that allows for a new exhaust and new airbox position.